Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs for diet, updated. Start by whisking 3 egg whites and 1 whole egg with a pinch of salt and pepper until slightly frothy. Heat a non-stick skillet on low and add a teaspoon of olive oil or a light spray. Pour eggs in, stir slowly with a spatula, and remove while slightly custardy for best texture. Skip heavy toppings and brighten your scramble with herbs and vegetables for satisfying flavor. Fold in 1/4 cup of chopped spinach or diced tomato near the end so they warm but stay vibrant. Use a teaspoon of lemon juice or a sprinkle of smoked paprika to enhance savory notes without extra calories. Finish with fresh herbs and a light grind of black pepper for a balanced, diet-friendly meal. Hey friends, if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and smash that like button to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for comfortable, durable socks backed by a lifetime warranty, perfect for morning kitchen shifts and long walks after meal prep. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a pair if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Control heat and timing to make consistently great scrambled eggs for your diet plan. Keep the pan low and stir slowly to form large, soft curds that feel indulgent without extra fat. Transfer eggs off heat when slightly underdone because residual warmth finishes them while keeping moisture. Use measured portions and pair with fiber like whole grain toast or a side salad to make a balanced, satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.